Dear students, in this video on wave motion, we will study stationary waves in organ pipes with some numerical examples. So let us begin with standing waves or stationary waves in organ pipes. And let me tell you that organ pipes is a pipe which can be open at both the ends like a flute or bansuri, or it can be closed at one end as it can be cap of your pen where you can produce some sound. So we are talking about sound waves or longitudinal waves. So let us begin with the organ pipe which is open at both the ends and its axis is along x-axis. So the incident wave is along x-axis and the reflected wave is along y-axis, along minus x-axis. So a wave is traveling along this direction, sound waves, and at this end, यहाँ पर ये rarer medium में enter करेगा. So rarer medium में जाने से पहले यहाँ पर जो reflected wave है, that will travel along minus x-axis. और reflected wave जो है same phase में होगी क्योंकि इसका reflection rarer medium से हो रहा है. Now these two waves are identical और ये जब superpose करेंगे तो इसके अंदर एक stationary wave बनाएंगे. So let's see what happens here. Okay. And the open end will always have antinode and close in between you will have a node. So you will get open antinode at x is equal to 0 and antinode at x is equal to L, where L is length of the pipe. So let's see. It's mathematical part. So in open organ pipe, let the incident wave is traveling along plus x-axis. So y1 is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. It is reflected from open end and returns in same phase. Open end means rarer medium. So y2 is a sine omega t plus kx. Same phase में है, आप इसको देखिए दोनों के दोनों प्लस हैं और डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गई है तो माइनस का यहाँ पे प्लस हो जाएगा. And these two waves are superposing over each other. So the resulting wave is sum of these two waves, y1 plus y2, and putting the values of y1 here and y2 here. A is common, you can take common and open this using formula of sine a minus b, and this one using formula of sine a plus b, and if you see you get a common, and from here you get sine a cos b minus cos a sine b plus. For the second one you get sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, and if you look at it you can see this is negative and this is positive, cancelled out, and these two terms will be added up. So the final relation comes out to be y is equal to 2a sine omega t cos kx, and now we rearrange it. इसको हम rearrange करते हैं this way, 2a cos kx sin omega t. Now ये वाली terms sin omega t हमने purposely end में रखी है so that I can compare it with y is equal to a sin omega t. So when you compare it, the place of amplitude is taken by this term in the bracket और sin omega t as it is है. और ये simple harmonic motion SHM की equation है. This is the equation of SHM, right? यानी कि particles simple harmonic motion में हैं, they are not propagating. ये कहीं move नहीं कर रही हैं. यहाँ पर अगर ये term omega t plus minus kx की term आ जाती या vt plus minus kx की term आ जाती तो ये progressive wave हो जाती, traveling wave हो जाती. पर यहाँ पर हमें omega t plus minus kx की term नहीं मिल रही है. That means this wave is not traveling in any direction. So this is the equation of a stationary wave. So stationary wave की ये equation होगी जो कि open organ pipe में produce हुई है, and its amplitude is given by this relation. So some more discussion about this one only. So you see here. So equation of stationary wave, we just did that. Amplitude A is 2a cos kx, or maximum value of cos function is 1. So maximum amplitude is 2a. Now interesting thing to note is कि हमारी इंसिडेंट वेव और रिफ्लेक्टेड वेव जो थी इनके एम्पलीट्यूड है a, बट स्टेशनरी वेव का एम्पलीट्यूड है 2a. एम्पलीट्यूड इज डबल्ड हियर and you can see here the antinodes at open ends and a node in between. This is the minimum possibility. ये हमारी मिनिमम पॉसिबिलिटी हो गई. तो यहाँ पर एंटीनोड, यहाँ पर एंटीनोड, बीच में एक नोड. और अगर आप देखेंगे तो दिस इज़ 1/4 वेव, दिस इज़ 1/4 वेव एंड द टोटल विल बी half of wavelength. Distance between consecutive antinodes is half of wavelength. So L is equal to lambda 1 by 2, the minimum possibility. And the next possibility is we can have two nodes in between. So ends पर हमको मिलेंगे एंटीनोड्स और बीच में हमने दो नोड्स लगा दिए हैं. So now you can see that, see, this is 1/4 of wavelength, half of wavelength, 1/4 wavelength. So total is 1 wavelength. So second possibility is L is equal to lambda 2. And let us look at its mathematical part. See. Now at x is equal to 0, when you put here x is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1 or a is equal to 2a. Antinode, maximum displacement. At x is equal to L also we get an antinode, maximum displacement. So for that the value of cos kx should be equal to plus minus 1, or the angle kx should be equal to n pi, right, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3. आपको पता है कि cos की वैल्यू cos 0 is 1, cos pi is minus 1, cos 2 pi is plus 1, cos 3 pi is minus 1 and so on, right. And here put the value of k and x. So the value of k is 2 pi by lambda, angular wave number, x is equal to L is equal to n pi. Simplify, we get a general relation for waves produced in it. So lambda n is 2L upon n. Now the minimum possibility is called fundamental node or first harmonic. The minimum possible frequency from here you can see. So lambda 1, put n is equal to 1 here. So lambda 1 is equal to 2L. And frequency, the minimum frequency is velocity upon wavelength v upon 2L. So this is the minimum frequency. It is called first harmonic or fundamental node. Now for second and third harmonic, put n is equal to 2 and 3. So you get nu 2, second frequency is 2v upon 2L, nu 3, third frequency is 3v upon 2L, and ratio of nu 1, nu 2 and nu 3. आप रेशियो तीनों का देखिए, the ratio comes out as 1:2:3 and so on. So ratio of harmonics produced is 1:2:3. And one more important topic here, we are using velocity of sound wave in gas. So the relation for sound velocity of sound wave is under root gamma p upon rho, where p is pressure of gas, gamma is Cp upon Cv, where Cp is specific heat, molar specific heat at constant pressure, and this is molar specific heat at constant volume, and rho is density of the gas. And now standing waves in a organ pipe which is closed at one end. Now this organ pipe is closed at one end, and look at it, incident wave and reflected wave. So we have taken this part as closed. So incident wave इधर से आएगी along minus x axis, जो कि यहाँ पर closed end से या denser medium से reflect हो रही है, और reflected wave इस तरीके से आएगी. So ये incident wave और ये reflected wave superimpose करके stationary wave बनाएंगे. And at closed end we will always get antinode. At closed end we will always get node, and at open end we will always get antinode. And the minimum possibility is कि यहाँ पर एक आपको नोड मिल गया और यहाँ पर एंटी नोड मिल गया. So this is 1/4 of wavelength. So L is equal to lambda upon 4. This is the minimum possibility. So let us look at the equation of this stationary wave. So in organ pipe closed at one end, let the incident wave is traveling along minus x-axis, that is y1 is equal to a sin omega t plus kx. सी डायरेक्शन माइनस ये है माइनस एक्स की तरफ है तो यहाँ पर प्लस मिल जाएगा. रिफ्लेक्टेड वेव फ्रॉम क्लोज्ड एंड रिटर्न्स इन अपोजिट फेज. जब क्लोज्ड एंड से या डेंसर मीडियम से जब रिफ्लेक्शन होगा तो अपोजिट फेज में होगा. सो यहाँ पर आपको ए की जगह पर मिलेगा माइनस ए. दैट मीन्स compression will return as a rarefaction or a rarefaction will return as a compression. And इस प्लस की जगह यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाएगा माइनस बिकॉज इट इज़ ट्रेवलिंग अलॉन्ग प्लस एक्स एक्सिस, राइट. एंड अप्लाइंग सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल द रिजल्टिंग वेव इज सम ऑफ दीज टू waves y1 and y2. So now y is equal to y1 plus y2. Put the values and open it using equation of sine a plus b and sine a minus b, and then simplify and you will get y is equal to 2a cos omega t sine kx, and rearrange it. You get y is equal to 2a sine kx cos omega t, and you can compare it with y is equal to a cos omega t. So the place of amplitude is taken by this term. We can say that this is equation of SHM. ये सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन की एक इक्वेशन बन गई है जिसका कि एम्पलीट्यूड कांस्टेंट नहीं है और ये ट्रेवल किसी भी डायरेक्शन में नहीं कर रही है. Now here you can see that the equation does not contain terms like omega t plus minus kx or vt plus minus kx. तो ओनली ट्रेवलिंग वेव्स कंटेन दीज टर्म्स. जो वेव एक्स एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग ट्रेवल करती है उसमें ये प्लस माइनस के एक्स और वी टी प्लस माइनस के एक्स वाली टर्म्स आती हैं. तो दैट मीन्स दिस वेव इज नॉट ट्रेवलिंग एनीवेयर एंड दिस इक्वेशन इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ स्टेशनरी वेव. ओके, सो the amplitude of this stationary wave is 2a sine kx. Okay, and now some more discussions about it. So standing wave in organ pipe at closed at one end. We are talking about this one only. So the equation of standing wave and amplitude is this one. Now maximum value of sine function is 1. So maximum amplitude is 2a. This is double of the amplitude of incident and reflected waves. So this is 2a. Okay, and now at x is equal to 0 we get a node. और आपको पता है कि sin kx 0 हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर एम्पलीट्यूड 0 हो जाएगा और आपको नोड मिलेगा. At x is equal to L we have to get NT node. So at x is equal to L, a is equal to 2a sin kx and it should be equal to 2a NT node. That means sin kx की वैल्यू मैक्सिमम होनी चाहिए. sin kx should be equal to plus minus 1 और ये तब होता है जबकि एंगल इज ऑड मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई बाई 2. दैट लाइक sin pi by 2, sin 90, sin 3 pi by 2 and so on. So odd multiple of pi by 2 means 2n minus 1 odd number हो गया into pi by 2. Right, and here n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So put the value of k, 2 pi by lambda, value of L, x is equal to L, and this is 2n minus 1 pi by 2. So just simplify it. You get lambda n is equal to 4L upon 2n minus 1. This is the general relation for wavelength produced inside a closed organ pipe. And for fundamental note or first harmonic, we will put n is equal to 1. So from here, lambda 1 is equal to 4L. Or first possible frequency is velocity v1, velocity upon wavelength v upon 4L. For second and third harmonic, second frequency nu2 is 3v upon 4L, nu3 is 5v upon 4L. और अगर आप इसका रेशो लेंगे तो this is v upon 4L, 3v upon 4L, 5v upon 4L. So the ratio is 1:3:5. तो यहाँ पर हार्मोनिक्स का रेशो 1:3:5 होता है. एंड सी the second possibility I have shown here. One node is fixed here, one node anti-node is fixed here. तो यहाँ पर हमें बीच में एक और node मिलना चाहिए. And here this amplitude is 2a, and this is half of wavelength, this is 1/4 of wavelength, so the total becomes 3/4 of wavelength, right? And now one simple numerical based on this only. Find the fundamental frequency of a 50 centimeter long organ pipe open at both ends, closed at one end, when the speed of sound wave is 340 meter per second. So, यहाँ पर even if you don't remember the formulae, you can draw the diagram, and the minimum possibility here is antinode, and बीच में one node. So L is equal to lambda by 2, and for the second one, the minimum possibility is node, antinode, and L is equal to lambda by 4, right? And so for the first one, for this one, L is equal to 50 centimeter, it is given, or velocity V is also given to you. So L is equal to lambda by 2, or lambda is 100 centimeter, which is 1 meter, and frequency will be equal to velocity upon wavelength. So 340 upon 1, or 340 hertz. So the fundamental frequency or first harmonic for this organ pipe is 340 hertz, and for the second one, L is 50 centimeter, V is same, but here L is equal to, this is 1/4 of wavelength, L is equal to lambda by 4, so lambda is equal to 200 centimeter or 2 meter. So frequency is velocity upon wavelength, and that is 340 divided by 2, that is 170 hertz. So even if you do not remember the general formulae, you can solve them just by drawing these diagrams. And with this, I come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching it.